baby girl. Yeah, I know it's been a minute, but that text that I sent, yo, please don't get offended. Angels and demons be moving fast, and I know I got some blemishes from my past, but a woman like you in my life don't come along twice. And the thought of you not in my life will make a brother sick. You the flame to my candlestick, the midnight to my wit. And I know it's toxic, but I can't stop this. And though the prospects be hitting me like drop kicks, shit, that's another topic. But me and you, girl, yeah, I see it through my optics. So what you thinking, we should stop this? You know, I'm thinking we should rock this. Cause you hit me like a mosh pit, and I'm vulnerable, and I can't control it, yo.